In this lesson, we are going to take a look at how we can add and remove leaders from a multi-leader object. As you can see, I currently have a note to remove trees, and I'm pointing to one of the trees, and I want to go ahead and point to the other two trees over here as well. Rather than create an entirely new leader, I can just simply add more leaders to this existing one. To do this, I'm going to have to go to the Annotate tab, then the Leaders panel. Here's my tool to add a leader. I'll just simply select it. AutoCAD's going to want me to click on whatever leader I want to add to. So I'll click on this Remove Trees leader. Now, as you can see, it's creating another leader coming off of that one. I can just simply come over and click on the next object and click on the next one, then escape when I'm done. Removing leaders is just as easy. If I decided I want to go ahead and keep this tree, I'm going to come up and choose Remove Leader here in the Leaders panel. Select the leader object, then the leader that I want to remove. Then enter. As you saw, very easy to add additional leaders or remove them as needed from a multi-leader object. That concludes this lesson on adding and removing leaders from a multi-leader object in AutoCAD.